lecture, we're going to explore into the fascinating science behind the nonverbal communication. Why do we use body language? How does it affect us? And what are the biological and psychological mechanisms at play? Let's begin with the why. Why do humans and even some animals use body language at all? Well, communication is essential for survival and the social connection. Before we had spoken languages, nonverbal cues were our primary way of expressing emotions, conveying intentions, and establishing the social bonds. Fast forward to today, and our brains are still wired to interpret nonverbal signals. Studies have shown that a large portion of our brain is dedicated to processing the visual information, including body language cues. In fact, research suggests that up to 93% of communication is nonverbal. That means the words we speak are just merely the tip of the iceberg. But how does body language actually work? It all comes down to a complex interplay between biology and psychology. Biology: our bodies are constantly sending out signals. Our facial expressions are controlled by intricate muscle movements. Our posture is influenced by hormones and neurotransmitters, and our heart rate and breathing can change depending on our emotional state. These physiological responses are often involuntary and can be difficult to consciously control. Psychology: our brains are hardwired to interpret these signals. When we see someone smile, our brains release dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. We automatically associate certain postures with confidence or insecurity. We even mirror the body language of others as a way of building rapport. Understanding the science of nonverbal communication is key to becoming a body language expert. It helps us to recognize universal signals. There are certain body language cues that are common across cultures and can be understood by people from all walks of life. For instance, a smile generally signifies happiness, while a furrowed brow often indicates confusion or concern. Identify the cultural differences. While there are universal signals, body language can also vary depending on cultural norms. In some cultures, direct eye contact is a sign of respect, while in others it may be considered rude. Being aware of these differences is essential for effective cross-cultural communication. Develop self-awareness. By understanding the science behind our own body language, we can become more aware of the signals we are sending out. This can help us to communicate more authentically and build stronger relationships. So guys, the next time you're interacting with someone, pay attention to their body language, but also pay attention to your own body language. What signals are you sending out? How are they being interpreted? And how can you use this knowledge to communicate more effectively?